Good morning, sir. Myself Murli. I am from mechanical branch. Today, explain that investment evaluation criteria (IRR), internal rate of return. Introduction to IRR. The internal rate of return is a key metric used in capital budgeting. IRR represents the discount rate that makes the net present value of an investment zero. It is a useful tool for comparing the probability of different investment options. Importance of IRR. IRR allows investors to assess the efficiency of potential investment. It provides a single percentage figure that simplifies comparison across projects. A IRR indicates a more profitable investment opportunity. How IRR is calculated? The IRR is calculated by finding the discount rate that sets the NPV of cash flows to zero. This involves solving the equation where the sum of the present values of cash inflows equals the initial investment. Financial calculations and software can automate the IRR calculate process. IRR versus other matrices. Unlike NPV, which provides a dollar amount, IRR presents a percentage return. The payback period measures time but does not account for the time the value of money. Unlike IRR, comparing the IRR to the required rate helps determine investment valuability. NPV is equal to sigma n CAFN 1 plus whole power n, where n is equal to the total number of periods, n is equal to single period between 0 and n, CF the cash flow in period n, R is the discount rate. Pros of using IRR. IRR provides an intuitive measure of investment performance expressed as a percentage. It can help investors make quick decisions by simplifying complex cash flow scenarios. The IRR is particularly useful for assessing projects with non-conventional cash flow. NPV is sigma t CT by 1 plus whole power t minus c. Cons of using IRR. IRR can be misleading when comparing projects different durations or scales. Multiple IRR can occur in projects with alternating cash flows completing interpretation. Relying solely on IRR may overlook other critical factors influencing investment decision. Here about the calculations of IRR. IRR in practice. Business of the use IRR to evaluate new projects and capital expenditure. Investors may use IRR to assess a state, deal, startups or other investment opportunities. Understanding IRR can enhance strategic planning and risk assessment process. Limitations of IRR. IRR assumes reinvestment cash flows at the same rate which may not be realistic. It does not account for projects scale which can lead to suboptimal reinvestment choice. Over reliance or IRR can result ignoring qualitative factors such as market conditions. Conclusion. The internal rate of return is a valuable tool investment evaluation when used appropriately. It helps investors make informed decisions by providing a clear percentage return. However, it should be considered alongside other metrics and qualitative factors for comprehensive analysis. References. Thank you, sir.